John Rowland and Cora Ann Mahalik.
Good evening. Some quick action tonight at EMS, the agency under so much fire for providing such unreliable ambulance service. The agency that runs EMS, Health and Hospitals, called a meeting of the board and the head of the EMS resigned. It was an abrupt change for James Kerr. Earlier this week, he admitted some mistakes, but indicated he was hanging in there.
In retrospect, it was a mistake.
That was Kerr just 2 days ago, talking about his failure to have other city agencies help fix all the broken ambulances. At that time, Mayor Koch expressed support for Kerr and his management of the agency.
It's a tough job. It's not an easy job. And they'd be the first to say that they make mistakes and they want to correct them. But I think overall they've done a pretty good job.
It was not until late this afternoon that the signals changed. First, Brooklyn Borough President Howard Golden added his criticism. He raised the issue of the empty garage.
There is a need for reevaluation when the past 13 months, the Health and Hospitals Corporation pays rent of almost $5,000 a month for an empty building in Brooklyn that is supposed to be an ambulance garage, but instead is useless because renovations haven't been made to date.
The mayor's response? Whoever was responsible would be fired. Within hours, at a Health and Hospitals Corporation board meeting, James Kerr submitted his resignation. Reaction tonight focuses on the problems still ahead for EMS.
They have made repeated mistakes with the ambulances. Certainly he bears responsibility for that. He is the man who was in charge of purchasing many of those ambulances. So again, in some ways, perhaps he brought EMS forward. In other ways, unfortunately, the ambulance problems, the fleet maintenance problems finally caught up to him.
If you don't have heads of agencies take responsibility for those agencies, then who is going to take responsibility? I mean, I think there has to be accountability. But I don't think because he resigned that everything is going to get all right. I think the mayor has to personally oversee this agency now.
Kerr has been in EMS now for 15 years. He hasn't said yet exactly when he is leaving, and there's no word on who will take his place.